Alright, in this video we'll go over organizing a module. So modules are like your units of study, or they could be weekly lessons, whatever you like really. Anyway, you're going to group your content and assignments. So in this one I've got a Canvas Basics module, and I could collapse that. I've got this Canvas Assignments module. And right now I'm realizing I want to put it all into one module. So I'm going to go to my Canvas Basics. I'm going to go plus, and it gives me the option of what to add. So right now I'm going to add a text header, and I'm going to call my text header Canvas Assignments. And I'm not going to indent. I'm going to add the item, and it shows up at the bottom down here. So now I want to move these things into there. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on the three dots. I'm going to click on Move Contents. Well, that's one way to do it. I actually could drag and drop, I think. Let's see. So I could drag this. Yep, I could just drag and drop them. So and the other way to do it would be to do Move Contents, and it'll say Move Into. I could say Canvas Basics, Place at the bottom, and I'll move them. All right, that was actually much quicker than just dragging and dropping. All right, now I'll go to this, and it's got nothing in it, and I'm just going to delete that. Sure. Now I've got just one module that has everything in it. So there we go.